my name is François Laguerre. I am so happy to share with you some content which can help to generate your income. Today I am going to talk to you about passive income. Passive income include regular earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor. The Internal Revenue Service says passive income can come from two sources: rental property or a business in which one does not actively participate, such as being paid book royalties, or stock dividends. One of the best company out there which can help to generate some income without having to do that much is Teespring. Teespring is a simple solution for creating and selling products that engage your fans and help you monetize your content. The good news is, no cost, no hassle, no risk. The only thing you need to do is, to find your unique designs by creative individuals around the world. You can do that. It's just simple: a logo that could be anything, a nice pic, your business brain's name, or anything you think makes sense. Now you have an idea. While you sleep you could make some money. All you get to do is to sign up, then you in. That really simple. Right? My plan for you guys is to find anything that can help us to build our income, because having different source of income that help a lot, believe me. If you not yet subscribe my people, and like, please do so. That's gonna help with the YouTube algorithm. Remember to live, love, laugh, and be always positive. My next video's coming soon, and it will base on passive income. If you have any comment you can leave it down below, like this we can discuss it together.